Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR truck bed mat. This one is for a Ford Maverick. It says it's a 5-foot. I believe the truck bed on the Maverick is 4.5 foot. But all the Maverick beds, I believe, are the same size, so it should work. We've got our instructions, and it does say that there are a bunch of different models. So this is not a plastic, it's not a rubber, it is like somewhere halfway in between it. Like I can feel that there is a definite grip to this, and this is the back side, but we can also see it is fairly flexible. So here we can see the material that makes that up, and it is definitely a grippy surface. Things tend to slide around, especially if I put like a 5-gallon bucket in there. Doesn't matter how slow I go, the thing's always sliding all over the bed. I also like they formed all the valleys in here, so this will actually fit directly onto the bed. They also put covers right here. I believe that is for the tie downs, and it looks like if we wanted to, we could just cut that out. That's gonna be up to you whether or not you even have the tie downs. So nice that they gave you the option for it. I can see these guides right here. That's basically right where it folds at, but that is also gonna help to kind of divide up the bed, so that if I did put a 5-gallon bucket on here, even if for some reason it was to start traveling, it would hit this and then stop. So you got 1 gallon of paint. You can see it slides around. It is definitely not bad by any means, but it does move around. So it is definitely a proper fit for a Maverick. I do see a bubble in here. I believe that is going to be partially due to it having been folded and sitting in a box, but over time I expected that will come out. So it still moves around a little bit, but I feel like that is a little bit better. And it does look like those covers are for the tie downs. So if you're looking for a bed mat and you want something that'll protect your paint, or even if you have a covering like I do, but you want to have something that's replaceable, maybe you know you're gonna be putting a bunch of junk on there, you know you don't want to destroy the lining, that is gonna be an excellent option for that.